Got my hair fixed, makeup done, I'm ready to go. Step in the club and you know I'm the show. Hey, so I wanted to film a video, guys, on the blood sugar palette. Now, I decided to take it there. I wanted to go over the top. You know, I think Jeffree's an innovator. I'm a really big fan of his cosmetic brand. I have almost all the liquid lipsticks, all the highlighters, all the lip ammunitions. All I need is a couple liquid lipsticks and the androgyny palette, and I'll be complete. And so I wanted to just kind of do a video in my appreciation. I hope one day I can get on the PR list, because I buy everything anyway, but who knows. This is a 10 look, 1 palette video. I've seen 3 looks, 1 palette. I think I've even seen 5 looks, 1 palette. I wanted to take it the extra mile. I put a lot of work into this, you guys. Like, I spent weeks and weeks editing. I edited everything down so it's 10 tutorials in 1 video. I took the photos. Yeah, so this was a lot of work. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. I never say this with my videos anymore because you gonna do what you gonna do. But I want my efforts to be rewarded for this, because it was such a... you know, I don't say it often, but I worked really hard on this. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope somehow it can get to Jeffree. I think that'd be really cool if he saw it. Put me on that motherfucking PR list. You never know what a bitch be having up his sleeve. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much. Please really enjoy the video, and please give it a like. Bye. Okay, guys, so I filmed the final look, or I did the finished look. I'm gonna take some photos of this look, and then we'll be good to go on to the next one.